Need to keep track of your Amazon earnings? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to download your payment reports directly from Seller Central, step by step. First, head over to sellercentral.amazon.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, find the Payments option on the left-hand menu. Click on it, then select Payment Reports or Payment Repository from the drop-down list. Once you select Payment Repository, you'll land on this section. Here's what you'll see. At the top, there are tabs like Statement View, Transaction View, and Disbursements. In this section, you can customize your report. Choose the account type like Standard Orders, set the report type to Transaction. Select your reporting date range, either custom or monthly. You can also enter a report tag, optional, to organize your downloads. Once you're ready, click Request Report. Now scroll down to the Payment Reports queue. Here, you'll see the request date, the reporting start and end dates, your selected account type and report type, the status of the report. It may take a little time for the report to process, so if the status isn't ready yet, just click Refresh. Once it's marked as ready, hit the Download CSV button to save it to your computer. You can also rename the file to stay organized. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Amazon payment report. Let's quickly recap. Log in to Seller Central. Go to Payment Repository. Choose your report type and date range. Click Request Report. Then, download it when it's ready. Keeping track of your payments is essential for accurate accounting and smart business decisions. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon seller tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.